Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the cross, but more advanced. So like, you could call it the F2L or C-fop cross. So what this is I'm basically going to be teaching you how to do a faster cross than the beginner's method cross. So like, they're not different really, but as you would notice if you ever seen like Lucas Eder, like Felix Zemdegs, or these guys that do it in like 5 seconds, what they're doing is this. This is what they're doing to do the cross in like 0.5 seconds. Not exactly like 0.5 seconds, but somewhere around there. So mainly what you're going to be doing is using the bottom layer and building the cross correctly, but not like oriented correctly. So like you would build it like maybe with the colors not lined up, and then at the end you can just line it up only by using like a D or D2. So I'll show you how. Like I'm going to show you the opposite cross. This is what I call the opposite cross. Let me scramble that. That was not a good scramble. So we have this one, and these two. Alright, so what I would do for this opposite cross, the opposite cross is basically building the cross opposite. So opposites are like orange is opposite of red, so red's back here. Like that. Green is opposite of blue, so green is opposite of blue. They're on two different sides. And yellow is opposite of white. So you should just know that by heart, and then you could probably learn this. So the first thing is, you're basically just building the cross opposite colors, or like the correct piece on the opposite color. So like these two are opposites, so they're correct. Instead of having it all built in their correct position, you would do it in their opposite position, like that. And then you pick the last one and do a D2 at the end, and it should be solved. Otherwise, you did it wrong. So try that, and if you didn't get it, I'll go over it one more time. So orange is opposite of red, so this orange white is in its correct spot because orange is opposite of red. So then that is in its correct spot, so it's basically just two bottom layer moves away from its correct position. So then you want to build all the pieces like that. So the red and these two are opposite, and then these two are opposite, and these two are opposite. So now you have them all opposite, and then you just do a D2 and they're all correct. And you can also do that except for they're next to each other. So like in this case you don't need to do the opposite cross because it's just faster. All you have to do is this. Like, you don't have to do the opposite cross all the time, but you only do it if it's really faster. So the other one you can do is like build the cross where the pieces are all how do I explain it? So like you can always build it where they're in their correct position but not aligned. So like this cross is in its correct position because it's in its correct position, but it's not aligned. This is aligned, but this is in its correct position. So then you could build it in its correct position, and then at the end align it. But when you build it in its correct position, you can't have like certain pieces mixed up. So like, let's say I was building it the opposite cross, and for example, I did blue opposite from red, and then I kept on going and did like the rest. Then it's not gonna line up. Because, wait, how did that just, alright, ignore that. So, like, let's say I was trying to build the opposite cross, and it ended up like 2 pieces were not correct. That's because these 2 are not opposites. So, like, you don't want to build it like this, and then at the end, align the pieces. Like, you want to never ever do that, because that is super slow. So, so learn how to do it without doing that, and it'll just help you so much. And then, this video is for people who already know how to do it without doing that. I think if you guys want me to make a video on how to do it without doing the, just build the cross, and then, aligning it, like, I'll show you. So I noticed some of my friends that I try to teach do this. And then they put it in place, and then they swap. Like that. It's just, don't do that, please. So, if you guys want me to make a video on how to do it without doing that, I will. So, I hope this video helps you, and, if you feel like I'm forgetting anything, or you want to see anything else, please leave a comment, and it would really help if you left a like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.